Hello, I'm Nate Gibson, and today I am unboxing something very special. It is Piper & Leaf Brew Kit. They sent it to me, as you can see, in this box, delivered to Nate, especially me. I'm pretty important, really good friends with the owners. For those of you who don't know, Piper & Leaf is a tea company, a local small business here in Huntsville, Alabama. Family owned and operated. Met them, great people. They started selling at farmers markets and local setup markets, advent markets, that kind of thing. They started selling compost tea, fertilizer, and they moved into actually brewing really good tea, find a lot of the ingredients locally. It's pretty incredible. I've been to their facility, just top notch. They've opened up a market down by the Tennessee River, and it's pretty cool. But I just want you guys, first of all, in this box, and Piper & Leaf's kind of crazy. They pay attention, every little detail. You know, nothing is spared. But check out this, just the tape on. You got like their logo right here, fruits and veggies. Probably what they put in the tea, but anyway, let's crack this thing open. Kind of excited, trying not to cut myself. Right. And this is how it all come. Boxed up just like this. You got the Piper Process Brew Kit. Very cool. Let's get this thing out. It's a little heavy, so if you're not strong like me, you might want to get someone to help you. Super strong, don't try not to break anything. It's kind of a medium box. I think everything's in here. It opens, so there's nothing frustrating about opening this. It just pops open. This comes with so much stuff. Man, I just want you guys to see this. It's got the guide, brewing guide right here, which I think you can get on their website, and they have some demos and stuff. Very cool. Everything's simply laid out. They have their origins right here. Very cool. Different instructions for brewing different types of tea. I think that's really cool. Brewing their simple syrup. They put in all of their sweet teas. Probably a great thing to have, great thing to keep. Again, everything they do. Very thoughtful, no expense spared. And so they included in here their teas, loose tea blends, so you can get started right away. This is their front porch special. Incredible. Sassafras strawberry. Dude, look at these tea bags. This is so cool. I've been there when they press them. They do all the hand pressing. They set these things up. It's really cool. All the artwork there. You can feel it. It just feels really good. You can hear it, smell it. It's awesome. So it looks like they also include one of their signature jars, Piper & Leaf mason jars. It's got the hole in the lid for the straw, and I think they even have a straw in there. One of their jars that you drink out of. Bring these back so you guys can see them. Oh, and I'm drinking out of my Piper & Leaf mug. I'm a fanboy, what can you say? All right, and this is the straw right here. It's a metal straw. Oh, look at this, very cool. Got the straw brush that cleans it, you like that. This is the straw that goes in here. Sip on it, very cool. You could store it all together if you wanted to, just like that. Here's a metal ball, I don't know what that is. Maybe we'll look in here and figure it out. So this is actually the tea dripper by Largo. This is a Hario brand. So they include this, and I'm gonna pull this out and get it set up for you. And so what you do is you set all this stuff up, and it brews concentrated tea. And it comes with a stand. Oh man, it's heavy. This is probably the heaviest part. So this holds everything, holds the brewing apparatus in here. And I want you guys to take a look at this. This etched metal right here. Look at that. It's the samovar, so Russian tea brewing device. That was one of their early logos. I think they still utilize it. This sits on top of here. And then what you do is you follow the instructions and you brew this concentrated tea or syrup, and it just falls right down there. There's like a little release, a little catch release, and you fill this up with water and tea, and then you just let it down. I think it also makes simple syrup, and so you have this concentrated tea. If you've ever been to Piper & Leaf, you can see them, how they make it. They put a little bit of the tea concentrate in there, and then they fill the rest with water, some sugar. It's delicious. So this is the concentrated tea holder, and they even include one of their cool pour spigots. This sits on top of this right here, and you can pour out right there. And this is for storage, so once you make the tea, this is for basically dispensing the liquid. This is for storing the liquid. They just include so much stuff in here. This might be one of my favorite things about this kit. This right here, it's a little measuring cup. Look at that. So it's in ounces, up to 2.5 ounces, almost like a mixed drink kind of what do they call it, jigger. And it's got their logo on there. Very cool. Samovar, awesome. And that's pretty much it. I don't know, maybe someone from Piper & Leaf can explain what exactly this little metal ball does. It might have something to do with the apparatus, maybe something in the glass, I'm not sure, but either way, it's awesome. Really advise you to check this thing out. Check out Piper & Leaf. Very cool story, very cool brand. Again, this Deluxe brew kit, or I'm sorry, Piper process brew kit, comes with these loose leaf teas, Largo tea dripper, the concentrated tea holder, the dispenser, storage lid, little measuring cup. It comes with signature Piper & Leaf mason jar, metal straw, straw cleaner, little metal ball that nobody knows what's going on here, but it's just everything you need to get started making your own Piper & Leaf at home. They obviously think anybody can do it because they sent one to me. So you guys get out there and get one for yourselves. Available at Piper & Leaf, exclusively at piperandleaf.com. So yeah, signing off.